Hello there. Today I show you my new product, unlimited halftone backing and shading kit. You can use your illustration, your photography, your shape, anything. Try off your text and shape looking flat and boring. If you want to make your design pop but hate spending hour creating complex comic book dot manually, this is the solution. This on-click Photoshop action instantly fix flat design by adding a killer retro halftone drop shadow. See the your illustration or your graphics, apply the effect. This you can change the color and also make the transparent very easily. See any type of shape, text, illustration, photography, but need to transparent. Then you can make it. They include all layers separately, and you can custom color everything. With this kit you can get 17 complete unique custom brush style. The best part, it has three amazing facility. First, it work on any text or shape. Second, it give you 100% transparent PNG result, and third, you can change the color of the dot instantly with just one click. See, and HD quality all. Okay, now I show you how to use and custom. First, go my download file. There is the help file. You can read the help file. There is some information include written format. If you want, you can use my PSD, or you can use step. If you use the free hand customization and free size, you can use your onboard. Just watch this video how to use and custom. First, load, select and double click. It's load your Photoshop automatically. Again, you can select and double click the ATN file. It's load your Photoshop automatically. Go window and action panel, click. Now action panel show maybe right side. I have set a little right side, and our script is loaded automatically, the unlimited halftone. This is our script. We just double click and it's loaded. So loading is very easy. Or if you want to need manual loading, so you can just action panel and the load action and select our action. Okay, and load button click, and same way you can brush and load button click. Okay, input brush and find out. See, select and load button click. Now it's loaded. Okay, so our script is ready. Now we want to our shape. So first I show you without template, then we show that how to use template. New page, and make sure your page RGB color, and you can use any size of they're totally freedom. So type 400 white or height 300. This is a standard size and a resolution. Okay, white background. Make sure just background is white, or any type of background, just lock background, just make sure. Okay, now you can open your illustration, your photography, your shape, your text, your text effect, anything. So this time I just use this one. See, copy and paste. Copy Illustrator. You can use the Photoshop file, you can use the transparent PNG file, or you can use the vector file. Just copy your illustration. This time I have easy for it, and paste there, and make sure the smart object. If not the smart object, your subject or photography, you can make the position and enter, and double click the vector smart. Need to smart object name change subject SUB sub JCT, SUB sub JECT subject, same my spelling, and click the other area. Do not space, hyphen, comma, or uppercase lowercase mix up character, and select the subject layer, the smart object, and select our skip all in on action, play me. Just hit the play button and say, sometime we need to the sublimation print, like a t-shirt print or any other spin need to like supporting a halftone. So this script the solution this, and your print quality make more than better if you use the halftone the backside, not your main illustration. So it's working. Depending your PC configuration and image resolution size, it still is working. So you can download this product. Check out my video description. I have included the download link. So there is the stop messaging. Okay, and see, this is the default setting, and halftone is create, and halftone is must be transparent, and you can change the color. Uncheck the background. See, so it's perfectly transparent, and 100% color you can change. See, if you change the color transparent, then it's look sometime nothing you can understand. So see, you can check any of color, just okay. So color change very easily. Or if your t-shirt color is blue, and how to combine it, soul color. So see, so if your t-shirt or background is this soft color, so you can okay, and you can combine yourself now the supporting your illustration very easily. See, any of color you can combine, so dark color or light color. See, the quality is very nice. And another one you can use, and now I hide this one, and another one. So there is the use, we have a formula. I have used the formula. All are same, and all are not same effect, different type of but transparent, and the color change is same. You can change the color by one click. So we have flexibility fix. See, and another one, check out the all, and another one. Now I show you the PSD file how is work. I have closed this. Okay, and like typography, I have opened this one. Now this is not typography, this is AI generated file, so we need to print it. So our script solution, this is transparent, so you need to right button click and smart object firstly. Okay, smart object firstly, and if you want there, you can this place work, you can not work properly, so you can need the creative page or new file, new page, any size of what size you want. And I have typed 300 and square size 300, and there are 300 pixel, and create. And now I just move my file there. See, and you can double click the smart object text subject, same my spelling, and just hit the play button. See, start working. So it's very easy. Or you can use my template or anything. You can make the back shadow halftone in different style, in 70s style, and in this time it's working. Need some time. In this time I will show something. This is our on-site photoshopaction.net. You can visit our site and download this bundle. 99% offer going on, and everything we need to cover this bundle. Extended license also, the license is standard and limited time only. See the all some of preview we have show, and you need to all preview show. You can check out Google Drive, and this is the some of product video include, and description and which product are include. You can check out the full complete description and guideline. Creative Market. Creative Market is our shop, is MRI Studio. Visit Creative Market shop, and our Creative Fabrica shop, MRI Studio, and our Adobe Stock profile, our Adobe Stock for creative resource. You can visit our creative resource MRI Cocoon, and free pick. The user is this. All link are include my video description. Check out the video description. Our Photoshop is briefing. That means our script is ready now. Okay, and see the quality. And you can color combine, you can fix your color or pick your color in your photography, then it's nicely support your photography to make the sublimation print and nice quality. See, and now you can set up if your t-shirt is the a green color, okay, or this color. And now we can Halftone can support any of color. You can white for supporting your illustration nicely in black, or you can match, see, the dark color, okay, and OK button click, or select any of them, which one you like most. You can check out the all are different, not same, and all are transparent. So now I show another one. Just watch this video, then you understand what you can do. So this is the text, retro text, open, okay, open the Illustrator file. You can copy and paste like 300, 300. You can any of size you can use 200 and 3. Okay, and now as will be subject, it is subject. Just write subject and smart object, make sure, and hit the play button, start working. So, and see, there is the previously apply, after and before. And now I show you the photography, your transparent photography, how to use and apply. Okay, so wait and see, it's working. Okay, see, it's nice. So you can check out and combination. Okay, I have off this one, and now open another one like this one. So I have the, make sure the transparent based, and mark this and cut out the on like this one, and copy, selection and copy, and file, new page, and I have paste. If you want, you can make size your choicely, okay, and this is not a smart object. So firstly, right button click and a smart object, and type there as to the subject. Just follow this instruction, then you can use anything, photography, illustration, JPG format. JPG must be need to transparent, because the back transparent, we use the transparent formula, and hit the play button, start working. So just wait, see, result is done. But I do not like the black color, and our leaves color is red, so double click and pick the red and transparent, and save it, expose transparent PNG. See, it's very easy and save your time, and nicely we have made this. You can edit everything very fastly. And another one I show you, like this time this one. So if you want to this one use, and this time you can use our template. If you double click this template, and there is the subject and smart object, double click this option, and anything you can put there. See, just make sure your subject is transparent. I have a small it, and enter, and save button click. Now I save my main template, this template. I have select the subject button and hit the play button. Now we start working. Deepen your PC configuration and image resolution size. So freedom is we try to fully freedom, and you can use any size of illustration, any size of setting and photography. Just make sure it's transparent. So this is the finishing result and default the black color. Now we can combine, see, and your photography like transparent PNG want to combination, so go top and sole color, you can use any color. See, so and then combine our halftone effect. See, the little shaded so nicely, or you can off this one, then this is the quality. And now I show you another one, the last one. All shape is there now. Okay, copy and paste. Oh, Photoshop file, you can Photoshop PSD template you can test. Also you can use the Photoshop template text effect or anything. Uncheck all and background also, and just main effect, you can right button click and make the smart object and make a page size any size. This time I have typed to 3500 and 2500. Okay, just make sure you make it the smart object and move it first very easily, and change the name subject and just hit the play button. Now start working. So PSD file, PNG file and Illustrator file supported, and photography also supported. Just make sure the transparent PNG and smart object, make it smart object and apply our script. Okay, so stop message show and see that is perfectly working, and you can combination and change the color, add the color, any of color, and OK button click is great. It's not touch up your illustration or your subject. So thanks for watch this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message. Our WhatsApp number, reply first, email me and our profile. Check out this product download link, our description. All our profile and this product download link include the description.